Hey guys, spring is here and today I'm doing a spring clean of my makeup collection. I'll show you how I declutter and reorganize my makeup, getting rid of anything that's expired or underutilized and making room for new clean beauty products in my collection. This is what my vanity currently looks like. I moved back home a couple months ago, so I just decluttered my makeup before moving and created this new system in February. But even after doing that, I still have a lot of makeup and I don't love the current system that I have going on. I have brushes and frequently used products on the table. I also just traveled to Australia, so these pouches were my makeup bags that I took on my trip. In the drawer, I have miscellaneous beauty tools on the left, eye makeup in the center, and lip products on the right. Under the vanity, I have this box with more lipsticks, highlighters, and blushes. I thought it was a good idea to keep my lipstick standing so I could see the colors from the top, but I actually found that I rarely reach for products down there because it's so troublesome to bend down to open that box. In case you're curious, this white box on the right holds hair tools, so I won't be decluttering that today. Alright, it's time to declutter. The first step is to lay out all the items and organize them by category: primers, foundations, concealers, eye makeup, lip products, and brushes. I opened the drawer so I could have more counter space to work with as well. So here is all my makeup laid out. Yep, I know it looks like a lot, and this is after decluttering recently too. Okay, so let's start with primers and sprays. I'm gonna pick out anything that I know is expired. The watery consistency of these products make them more prone to bacteria growth over time, so it's best to discard these and be on the safer side. Next, on to foundation and concealers. So I'm picking out the ones that are unloved. I don't love this product, and this one doesn't match my skin tone. These concealers I've had over a year, so they might be expired as well. Then I just continue this process for all of my makeup, tossing out old makeup, even those that were very loved but loved a little too long. For example, here are 4 of the first eyeshadows that I've ever purchased. I kept them for their sentimental value, but they must be over 12 years old. 2 of them I bought for a pageant that I did in high school, and the other 2 I got the night of homecoming. My best friend and I went to the department store to get our makeup done for free, and then I got pressured into buying the eyeshadows by the ladies at the counter because I was young, I couldn't say no. It's funny to think about it, but anyway, it's time to say goodbye because they got to go. Although it's not always easy to part with my things, I know that ultimately I feel better after decluttering and letting go of the things that no longer serve me. It's like a weight is lifted off my shoulders and I have space for new energy and a new improved life. This time, I'm making an effort to bring in more clean beauty products into my collection. It's a transition finding new products that I love in each category, but Burt's Bees is making it easier with their clean and natural beauty line. So thanks to Burt's Bees for sponsoring this video. Clean beauty is an important part of a clean, healthy lifestyle, and I love how well Burt's Bees aligns with that. Their products are formulated with ingredients from nature, without parabens, phthalates, SLS, or other chemicals of concern, and they also use sustainable, recyclable packaging. Here I'm using the Goodness Glows liquid makeup in the color Natural Beige. This is a hydrating, full coverage foundation that can be layered really well. I'm also using the brow pencil in the color Brunette and the lengthening mascara in Classic Black. It's a long-wearing formula that's safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. To finish off the simple look, I'm using the tinted lip balm in the color Hibiscus for a sheer wash of color and moisture. As you spring clean your makeup drawer, consider recycling curbside or with Burt's Bees TerraCycle program. To recycle your product packaging, check out the link below. They're accepting all beauty packaging through the end of April, which is an amazing program. Alright, back to decluttering. So here are my eyeshadow palettes. I have a lot, but they make me happy because I love playing with colors. Here, I'm just going through each palette and seeing which ones are expired or underused. So these are the 3 palettes I'm discarding. Next up, highlighters and blushes. I have so many of these highlighters and they're all so pretty, it's hard to say goodbye. I know a girl doesn't need this many highlighters, but if they all make you happy, what are you gonna do? So I found a few I could let go of, and then I also found this blush that is definitely overused and probably expired, so goodbye. And here is what I'm discarding from my highlighters and blushes. Okay, now for the most daunting category, lipsticks. Lipsticks are the most frequently gifted packages, so I just have a ton and I've gone through a ton. So this might take a minute. So out of all my lippies, I'm saying goodbye to these. Ta-da! Here is the discard pile of items that I will be either donating or recycling. Some of these are brand new, so I'll donate them to the local women's shelter, and the rest I will recycle. Next, it's time to reorganize. I don't know why I decided to tackle the lipsticks first. It's the hardest category. Because I didn't want to separate the lipsticks in the box under the table, I had to find a method to fit them all in this right compartment of the drawer. It's not perfect, but I made it work. Then onto my eye makeup and palettes. After that, I'm picking my daily essentials into my daily pouch. And then I'm putting all my face makeup in this clear organizer. I've added my favorite blush and highlighter in the organizer for easy reach as well. And then for the box under the table, I'm putting all the glittery specialty highlighters and lip glosses that are pretty but aren't used very often. There you have it, my reorganized makeup vanity. Now on to the last step, brushes. I wanted to take this time to wash all of my makeup brushes because I don't do it often enough. I also feel like I have a lot of brushes, but I don't feel the urge to part with any of them just yet since they can last a long time and I can use them for other things outside of makeup like art or cleaning. For now, I'll just wash them and decide later if I want to declutter. Honestly, a lifesaver has been buying these silicone brush washing tools. It makes cleaning brushes so much easier, and the best part is I can clean a bunch of smaller brushes at once. I used to wash my brushes one by one, but now I know better. All done! I hope you like this makeup declutter and spring clean. My vanity space feels so neat and refreshed. Now I just have to clean my room to match the vibe. Let me know if you're doing some spring cleaning too in the comments below. What area of your life needs the most spring cleaning? Alright, sending you so much love, and I'll see you in the next video in our Spring Cleaning Refresh Your Life series. Bye!